What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Dogecoin, and it's just been consolidating for really the past nearly month, I would say. During November we had a huge rally, and towards the mid of November we hit roughly 43 cents, and since went up to 46 cents, but overall have just really been in this nice steady uptrend. Not much volatility as we saw during early November, but mid to end of November and obviously the start of December, it's just been really consolidating. And the key levels that we are really looking to get some more Doge at and actually find a trade at was roughly 30 cents. Now we haven't fallen to that level just yet, and it does look like it will just carry on consolidating like this. However, we will still be looking at this area and observing until it comes down and actually finds us a trade. We're going to go into a lower time frame when it comes down here and obviously find a trade like that as we have in the previous videos, but regardless, we're still going to keep our eyes on this level even if it continues to move to the upward direction. Now overall, not much has gone on during this week. We obviously had a huge dump on Monday, which was seen across the entire crypto market. Even the S&P saw a dip on Monday and also leading on to Tuesday. So overall, the entire market, not just the crypto market but even the stock market, has dipped this week, still trying to reclaim those highs. Other coins have already been performing quite well, like Bitcoin already reclaimed those highs and is back at over 100k. ETH still really close to those highs, AVAX now at those highs. So a lot of coins have hit those highs. Again, it's just that these meme coins are slightly lacking behind. Like if we take a look at Dog with Hat, lacking behind, Doge obviously lacking behind, Pepe didn't really see that huge of a dip, so it's quite close to those highs, and SHIB also lacking behind. So all these coins are really, especially these meme coins, they are the last movers, and it's sort of why we get these like meme coin seasons where during the odd week we'll see a lot of meme coins just spike. That's simply because they didn't spike weeks ago when Bitcoin, the altcoins, were spiking. Instead they're going to start spiking a few days or weeks later. So that's why it's also important not to get caught up in those meme coin trends and try and be buying those meme coins when they're pumping. Usually the best time to buy is like now, when it is lagging behind and it's not hit those highs yet, whereas all these other coins have. So it's all about finding those discrepancies in the market. Now another thing we need to take a look at is also Bitcoin dominance. Now in yesterday's video we obviously talked about Bitcoin dominance and how it needs to break past this white line right here. This is a strong support area that's previously used, and it was used again on the weekend of this week, obviously having a huge spike up and then now a few candles down. So as long as we break past this level, it should look quite good to continue down. And obviously, if you don't know, when Bitcoin dominance is going down and Bitcoin is going up, altcoins and meme coins and every other coin in the market is practically rallying. So this is a key indication of when altcoin season is happening. Obviously, when we topped out and had this huge drop, from the end of November to the start of December, that's when altcoins saw a huge rally. So really important to be looking at dominance as well. Another key indication is also SPY. SPY is performing relatively well considering the market. So all in all, the market is looking very, very stable, and we can be looking for trades. And speaking of trades, if you want to be getting trades sent to you every single day that me and my team are taking, then check out the Discord down below. It will be the second link in the description. You can see on the screen right now just how many wins we're getting. It's absolutely insane. Day in and day out, we're crushing it, so make sure you join up below. But yeah, regardless, we're going to be looking for Doge to hopefully come down into this area. It's a very healthy pullback. It is going to be roughly a, like a 25% pullback. Yeah, like a 22% pullback. So that's what we're going to be trying to hope for, and to find some good trades. Obviously it might not come down to this level, and considering it is a bull market, it might just continue to spike and move like this. But regardless, we don't want to try and chase and just enter random positions here and here and here in hopes that it doesn't go to this level and it just continues to spike. That's not what we want to do. We want to have our trades very well planned out, and even if it does just continue up, then we can just find an entry on the retest of a huge breakout like we did over here. This trade was found from a retest of a huge breakout. It hit the 1.618 level, and it was also a pivotal level right here back in 21. So this would be a good area for it to use as a support. It's also just below these lows where it could sweep liquidity, and that's what we can try and find here. If we break out of here, we can potentially use this area as a new support. It comes down, we get our entry, and then we obviously long into 62 cents, and that would be what, a 35% profit? Yeah, 32% profit. So that's how we try and find these trades. We never, if one trade doesn't hit, we never want to try and FOMO in and just enter randomly at market and hope for the best. That's not what our trade plan consists of, and most importantly, that will just prevent wins and allow us to get a lot of losses, which is not what we want in the market. Other coins I'm going to be keeping an eye out for this week is obviously AVAX. It's absolutely soaring, really starting to pick up its strength. You can see when the market isn't dumping, AVAX is trying to pump, and even today, like, the market isn't amazing. A few coins are up, but AVAX is nearly hitting 10% up today. Other coins, Polkadot, also, we hit our entries over here, currently up 20% from those entries. Other coins like Render also had a good day yesterday where it soared up roughly 10%. XRP is another one, slightly lacking behind, but still looks quite good and quite reasonable. Obviously our trades hit and currently up like 6%, not as good as the Polkadot trade, but regardless, it's still going well. Solana, using this level as a slight pivotal level to come back. It's the 0 level from the previous high, so going to be interesting to see also how this reacts, especially to the new high that we have here at 265, which I think might be, yeah, it was the all-time high, so really good to see. Now if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Again, if you want to be getting trades into every single day, then check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade Dogecoin, check out all the exchanges we're working with. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.